Yes.
Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to save the text from the input field. Okay.
Yes.
So for that, we have to make a player brief, and this is a method which is very simple. You have to make a key. The key is nickname and the value. For the value, we can make a string, and okay, wait. First of all, we have to get the nickname. So nick string nick is equals to nickname, which is input field dot text. Okay, so now we got the nick string, and now we have to save this player brief dot set string, and for setting the string we have to make a key nickname, and under this nickname key we can save the nick. That's it.
Okay.
And yes, that's it. And whenever, okay, copy this one, and on the start method, what we can do, nickname dot txt is equals to, okay, is equals to player brief. We have to add the add plus sign, player brief dot get string, and the same key, the nickname. So it will get the nickname to the text. So first time, let's see if it is work or not. So for that, first of all, what we have to do is to assign the values. In the UI manager, you can see the nickname. So assign the nickname over here, and under the save method, add the on click method, UI manager on function, save nickname. And now let's do it. So now when we hit the play button, so the nickname is nothing. So now if I write Ahmad and I hit the button, this button, okay, and now unfortunately I just closed my application, okay, and whenever I play the game, so the name is saved and it will get it. Ahmad is here now, already it is there.
Okay.
And
Okay.
if I change it to Hussein and I just save it, okay, and I closes the application, now application is closed. Whether if I
Yeah.
close the Unity, whether I close the Unity, it will be saved. It will be saved in the local storage. But if I clear the player brief, clear all player brief, so it will clear all the data. Now the data is clear.
All right.
And when I hit the play button, there will be nothing. Okay. So if I write Unity development and hit this button, save button, and then I just closes the application, and when I come back to the application, so let's see if it is saved or not. So the Unity development is saved. So how it is working, on the start method I just told him the text should be changed to the nickname to get the string. The key is nickname. Okay, so this is how we save the values from the player storage. Okay, this is similar to the database actually. And the scene manager, last but not least, this is the way we can create new scenes. Sample scene, we are working on the sample scene, so I can create a new scene. Okay, new scene, we can call it main menu, and we will work on that actually. Okay, so now I will create a basic button over here, and we can call it start or play. Okay, and we have to create a new script, which is menu controller. Hossein is there. I
Yes.
don't. Yeah, I'm not hearing your
Yeah.
voice actually. Yeah.
So far,
So
I have no question, so I'm following you.
okay,
Yeah.
that is a problem if you don't ask any question. Okay, so we have to add a new class, the scene management class. Okay, to move from main menu scene to sample scene. Okay, we have to change the sample scene to the gameplay. We can rename it like this, gameplay. Okay, first of all, what we have to do as well as we have to add the main menu and the gameplay as well in the build settings, scenes in build. And you can see the index, the main menu index is 0 and the gameplay index is 1.
Mhm.
Okay, and hit the save button. And under the menu controller, this is simple. We can, okay, we can make a new method public, public void open gameplay scene. Okay, so now what will happen whenever this button is clicked, the scene manager dot load scene, and now you can write 1 as the index over here. The value, the integer value is for the index value, and the string value is for the name, the string value for the name. You can write both, like if we write 1, so it will move from to 1, or if we can also write the string, like for the same thing we can write a game play, and it is case sensitive,
Okay.
the gameplay. Okay, so both will work the same thing both. And now we have to assign this into the button. What is going to import? Okay, so under the button we have to add a function and assign the menu controller, and over here we can open gameplay scene method, hit save button and hit the play button. And then when the application is started, okay, and we click the play button, so you can see like this, hello world,
Yes.
and the game is there, and the timer is working as well. That's all from today's lecture. If you have any type of questions, you can ask me. I will try to give you my best.
Okay.
I think I need to practice on these methods today.
So did you
Mr. Hafiz, yeah,
yeah,
tell me.
did you enjoy this lecture, today's lecture, or not?
Yeah, I think
It is
we learned a lot.
Yeah, we learned a lot for sure. Our next lecture, when is gonna be, Mr. Hafiz?
yeah, I want to finish this course as soon as possible, as we want to
Yeah.
move to the advanced lecture. And I actually
Exactly.
want to create your base. Actually, I want to create your base. Actually, you should know all these things. These are the basic things. Okay, so you should know that. And if
Yes.
you don't have any lecture, then we can move on. Okay, so
Yes.
Okay.
we will
So,
reschedule our next lecture, and I will send you the points which we will study and look into. Okay,
yeah, but
Okay.
when's gonna be our next lecture?
I think most probably tomorrow I will try to do that, or if you are
Oh,
busy
please.
tomorrow.
I'm
Well,
okay
you are
with
not.
tomorrow.
For me now, it's fine. Yeah. tomorrow's fine.
Okay. Okay, we will do
Alright.
this tomorrow, inshallah. Okay.
Inshallah.
Okay.
All right, Hafiz. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Allah
Thank you.
Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz as well.